Hi, this is Prem from Home Life District. Welcome to my newest listing, 950 Mink Street in Pickering. This beautiful spacious bungalow is located in lovely Westshore community, just 1 minute from Lake Ontario, offering a fantastic location and a wonderful community to call home. I hope you guys enjoy this tour. If you like to book the private showing or if you want to find out more information, feel free to call me Prem Raghu at 416-725-8215. Thank you.